If you want a fast, stable, and completely secure connection on MX Tunnel Pro without getting stuck on loading screens, this video is for you. Let's open up the Google Play Store. Go to the search bar, type in MX Tunnel Pro, and hit search. Click Install to get the download started. While that downloads, make sure you join my official Telegram channel using the link in the description. That is where I post all updated server configs and network fixes the second they drop. If this is your first time opening MX Tunnel Pro, the application may require a small amount of mobile data to download or fetch its available server information. Once everything is loaded, you should arrive at the main screen. Now, before we try to connect, I recommend checking for the latest server information. Look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the 3-line menu icon. Tap on it. From the menu, look for Update. Tap Update and allow MX Tunnel Pro to refresh its server list. This step is important because it makes sure the application is working with the latest server information available. Now, we need to choose the appropriate network. On the main screen, find the Network or Server Selection section. Look through the available options and choose the network that matches your country and mobile network. For example, if your network is listed, simply select the corresponding option. But what if you don't see your specific network? Don't worry. Look for an option such as All Country. If your network isn't listed, you can try selecting All Country instead. Once you've selected the appropriate option, you're ready for the next step. Android may display a system security dialog asking you to allow the application to create or set up a VPN connection. Tap OK or Allow, depending on what your phone displays. Now we're ready to connect. Make sure you've selected the correct network or server option. Then tap the Start button. MX Tunnel Pro will now attempt to establish the VPN connection. Once the connection is successfully established, you should see the connection status change on the screen. Your MX Tunnel Pro setup is complete. If this tutorial helped you set up MX Tunnel Pro, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a like because it really helps the video reach more people who might need this tutorial. And most importantly, let me know in the comments, which tutorial should I make next? I'll be checking the comments and the most requested tutorial could be the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.